Today we will learn about the lang attribute, the meta tag. The Unicode character set absolute URL in HTML, relative URL in HTML. The meta tag is an HTML element that provides metadata about a web page. This metadata includes information such as the title of the page, keywords associated with the content, and a description of the page. Using the meta tag can help improve the visibility of a web page in search engine results, as search engines use this information to determine how to display the page in search results. The Unicode character set. The Unicode character set is a universal character encoding standard that allows computers to represent and manipulate text from any writing system in the world. This character set is important for web developers because it ensures that characters from all languages can be displayed correctly on web pages, regardless of the user's language or location. Absolute URLs in HTML. An absolute URL is a complete web address that includes all necessary information to locate a specific web page on the internet. This includes the protocol HTTP or HTTPS, domain name, and path to the specific web page. Using absolute URLs in HTML can help ensure that links to other web pages work correctly, even if the website structure changes over time. It also allows for more precise tracking of website traffic through analytics tools. Relative URLs in HTML. A relative URL is a web address that only includes the path to the specific web page without the protocol or domain name. This type of URL is often used when linking to pages within the same website. Relative URLs can make it easier to maintain and update a website, as they do not require changes to the entire web address if the domain name or protocol changes. They are also often shorter and easier to read than absolute URLs. Understanding the lang attribute, meta tag, Unicode character set, and absolute and relative URLs is crucial for web developers looking to create accessible, optimized, and user-friendly websites. By using these tools effectively, web developers can improve the visibility and usability of their websites, making them more effective for both users and search engines. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.